order to make chicken feed, you need to know the exact components of what is needed for the chicken feed. You can't just grab different ingredients and put it together. It involves a lot more research and calculations. And I can't give you the correct adjustments because every single age of chicken, duck, turkey, they have different needs. You're going to have to do research on what that specific age group needs, what would be recommended chicken feed sources in that. If you want soy, if you want corn, or if you want to have alternatives, there's different ways. And as soon as you do the different calculations, you can formulate your feed. Now, I don't recommend this for any rookie that is starting out chickens, to save money or anything, but there's a lot of nutritionists out there that can assist with creating a formulation that works for your needs. Many of the feed mills will help you as well. They know what they are doing, and I trust them more than I trust myself sometimes when it comes to formulating feed. Because if you do not have the correct percentages, you may lose your egg production. You may miss out on a season of production in general. You can cause nutritional deficiencies later on and possible death. Therefore, that would be my best recommendation on making chicken feed. I would really seek out your sources to get what you need for your individual needs.